Hello guys, hi, this is James Thompson with your Jammin Classics. Today I wanted to give you a little quick update on a 64 Fairlane Thunderbolt that we've been working on. This thing has a 514 in it, fully race prepared C6 transmission in it, Fab 9 rear end with Daytona trunnions, a strange billet center section, 35 spline axles. We did a full roll cage. We went down the NHRA rule book and tried to get as much information in there and try to make the car as track legal as possible. But this car was a project that was inherited by the gentleman's daughter after he passed away, and we've been working on this car for several years now and got it to this state. So just wanted to give you an update on it. As you can hear from the exhaust, this thing is pretty radical. It's going to be a hard car to drive on the street for long periods of time, but should be really fun. All of the Thunderbolt logo and everything was all done in gold leaf. All of the emblems and stuff on the car were all hand painted. We tried to simulate, the real Thunderbolt as much as we could, to offer tribute to the Ford, factory race cars. This car is really going to be a showstopper. It's going to be a fun car to drive and take to the track, but it does feature, fiberglass bumpers, fiberglass hood, all, like I said, all hand painted graphics. It is a three-stage pearl white. Her dad's nickname was Mr. Fix-It, which we did a nice little hand painting on the glove box for that too, and then we did the rear package tray with Mr. Fix-It in it also. Raffini Custom Upholstery helped us out with all the carpeting and headliner and stuff in the car. As you can see, some of these pictures are some of the matting and sound deadening and everything that was put down. We did Dynamat underneath all of this carpet padding first, and it turned out really nice. We're real happy with it. Here you can see some of the carpet being installed. We had to do custom door pulls on it. Couldn't put the armrest on it anymore because it does have the crossbars for the roll cage, and they fit flush to the door when you close the door. So we had to come up with a hand pull design, which turned out pretty good. The roll cage in it, we did all to NHRA specifications. So we anticipate this car being able to run in the low 10s, maybe high 9s. Have a lot of gauges in the car to monitor all the systems in this thing. So since it's operating at extreme, you need to monitor the gauges. So we did a vintage air system. So this car, the owner is planning to take the car and have a stereo system put in it after they take delivery of it. We do stereo systems here, but not exactly like what they're wanting to do to it. So, but yeah, it worked out pretty nice. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and keep an eye out for the rest of our videos, and give us a like on the videos that you like, and be sure and subscribe to our channel. Appreciate it.